Hello and good morning. I am talking from a location called Ajanta. I think a lot of people will be familiar with this. It's like 50 kilometers from my home, and the reason I'm going to Ajanta, I'm not visiting the caves, but I'm going to a place called Lonar. It's a crater. That's where a crater fell, and it created a lake in that place. So that's where I'm going. And the thing about that place is, let's talk about it once we reach there. Now, so there are some heavy vehicles that use these Ghats, and that's the reason I wanted to go through this in the morning. And another reason being, this place gets quite hot in the afternoon, and till like 3 or 4 p.m. it's quite hot, so I wanted to avoid that as well. There's this guy trying to take this guy, and I have to find a place. Okay, so about the setup this time, the vlogging setup, I guess. I hope the mic is placed correctly this time, or much closer to my mouth, and I'm also talking a little louder. Okay, let me focus here. Yeah, that's the only problem with this Ghat. It's nice, but it's quite dusty, and as you can see, the roads on the critical corners or bends, there are some really big potholes, so you have to watch out for that. Sorry. I don't mind the potholes, obviously, but it's just that I don't want any surprise around the corner, that's all. And especially with these bigger vehicles, they're trying to find places to be. Nothing like early morning dust and traffic, right? Who doesn't like that? I think it's better now. This Ghat is not that bendy, or I'd say with a lot of hairpins, but it's just that the bad roads is the one you have to watch out for, or the potholes. That's what you need to watch out for. That's all. Other than that, it's fine. It's not that complex, I would say. So it is nice to have this kind of place pretty close to your home, like within 1 hour reach. But I don't have motivation to visit the tourist location, like tourist spots, I would say, or attractions. Last time I went through that, I was coming back from Shegaon, so I decided to take this route last time. So I descended the Ghat. Obviously I didn't ascend the Ghat last time, so I think this kind of completes the circuit. The thing is, this Ghat, you don't have to worry about which gear you're doing. I mean, obviously not. You cannot just put the bike in 5th gear and just to go through a corner. But if you are like 1 or 2 gear up and down, that's okay. But it's not like those Ghats where you have to be on the 1st gear or you have to be on the 2nd gear. So that's not a problem here. But let's still make sure I'm on the right gear every corner. Also, this time the camera angle will be little higher, I guess. But the problem is now I can't close the visor since the GoPro is angled towards the visor, so I'll have to stop someplace and adjust that. I mean, I don't mind the visor open. I have the earplugs, balaclava, so I don't mind having the visor open, but still it's there's a lot of dust in here, and on highways it will become really difficult with the visor open. There's a lot of wind. I think that's pretty much it. Whole Ghat section. Go to Buldana and then Chikli and then Lonar. And after Lonar, I'll not take the same route. I'll take a different route. So there is a wildlife sanctuary. You can go through there because 10-kilometer stretch. It's a quite nice place, and from there I'll take Khamgaon to then my home. So that's the route I have planned for today. So total distance is around 450 kilometers. Brakes I'll just plan along as I go. I don't have any place decided like where I'll stop and all that, so I'll just wing it. route is like I have done part of this, part of some route. So only part which I haven't done is Buldana to Lonar, and then Lonar to that wildlife sanctuary. I think it's called Dnyanganga or Botha Forest. There are some names. So that's the part which I haven't done, which is around 70-80 kilometers. Other than that, the route is like I'm familiar with the route, and it's mostly highways like these, like the cement roads. So these cements road, they're quite bumpy. You look quite funny going through this, especially on an adventure bike, since the suspension is always working through the small bumps there are on the road. So it's like you're bouncing along while you're going. It looks quite funny from other people's perspective, I guess, not from mine. But that's okay, right? The suspension is doing its job. Not there to complain. So the reason I'm quite scared of dogs right now is because I think 20 kilometers before Ajanta, I was on a highway taking right. It was not a right turn, but it was just a bend. So I was taking that, and the dog, all of a sudden, from the bushes, like just like these bushes or fields, I guess, the dog all of a sudden started barking, and I don't know, it didn't reach my vehicle obviously, but it started barking quite aggressively and then just backed off. I was like, okay. And that woke me up like better than in coffee would have woke me up. I hope this audio is fine this time. Like this I don't know, it's the fourth time I am experimenting something with the audio. So I am pretty close to the Lonar Lake or Lonar Crater. So I just started recording since there is this road which goes around the crater and then connects back to the city. So I'm planning to get a view from this side or throughout this whole road if we can get a view. So basically at this point the crater has basically begun, like as you can see on the left side. So let's see if I can get a better view somewhere. Okay, there it is. So that's the whole crater. So I'll ride around it and see if we have a better view somewhere. I believe that's where people enter, but I'm not gonna go there. I'm gonna try something else. these gloves are not exactly. Oh, I think I missed the road there. I think that was the off-road which connects back to the crater. So let's see. And this fastest route. Okay, so a bit of an update. So the main gate which takes you to the crater, it's closed for some reason. I see a bunch of people lined up there waiting to enter. And the off-road section which I was going to take to look at the crater was it was little risky because I don't know how much further it goes into that trail, so I didn't want to